9 powerful drinks to repair nerve damage naturally. Dealing with nerve damage can be a daunting experience, often accompanied by persistent pain, tingling sensations, numbness, or even muscle weakness. These symptoms can significantly disrupt daily life, making even simple tasks challenging. Nerve damage, or neuropathy, arises when nerves are injured or impaired, leading to disrupted communication between the brain and various parts of the body. This disruption can result from numerous factors, including physical injuries, chronic conditions like diabetes, infections, or sustained pressure on a nerve. While medical interventions are paramount in addressing nerve damage, incorporating natural remedies can bolster the body's healing processes. One effective approach is through nutrition specifically. Consuming beverages rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. These drinks can aid in reducing inflammation, protecting nerve cells, and promoting nerve regeneration. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 9 remarkable beverages that may support nerve repair and enhance overall nerve health. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its abundant antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are instrumental in mitigating inflammation and oxidative stress, to primary contributors to nerve damage. The antioxidants in green tea safeguard nerve cells from free radicals, potentially preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Moreover, green tea has been found to enhance brain function by improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain and nervous system. Regular consumption, approximately 2 to 3 cups daily, can support overall nerve health and may aid in the recovery of nerve function over time. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that catechins in green tea could significantly reduce nerve cell damage in diabetic neuropathy models. Incorporating green tea into my daily routine has not only been a soothing ritual, but also a proactive step toward supporting my nervous system. Number 2. Turmeric, golden milk. Turmeric golden milk is a potent beverage that leverages the anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin has been extensively researched for its capacity to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both critical in preventing and repairing nerve damage. By diminishing inflammation, curcumin helps alleviate pain and fosters the healing of damaged nerves. Golden milk, traditionally prepared with turmeric, milk, including plant-based alternatives, black pepper, and other spices, is a comforting way to incorporate turmeric into your diet. The inclusion of black pepper is essential, as it contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances curcumin absorption in the body. Consuming turmeric golden milk regularly, especially before bedtime, can provide calming effects and support nerve health. Research in the Journal of Neuroscience Research indicates that curcumin can stimulate nerve regeneration in cases of peripheral nerve injury. Savoring a warm cup of turmeric golden milk in the evening has become a cherished part of my routine, offering both relaxation and health benefits. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is an excellent drink for supporting nerve health, primarily due to its high nitrate content. Nitrates in beetroot juice convert into nitric oxide in the body, enhancing blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues, including nerves. Improved circulation is vital for the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves, ensuring they receive necessary nutrients and oxygen for healing. Additionally, beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants, like betalains, which protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. For optimal benefits, it's advisable to consume freshly pressed beetroot juice, as it retains the highest nutrient levels. A study in the Nitric Oxide Journal found that dietary nitrates from beetroot juice could enhance neuroplasticity, potentially improving cognitive function. Incorporating beetroot juice into my diet has been a vibrant and healthful addition, supporting both energy levels and nerve health. Number 4. Blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie is a delightful and potent drink for supporting nerve health due to the high antioxidant content of blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with powerful neuroprotective properties. These antioxidants help shield nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, key contributors to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries can help preserve nerve function and promote the repair of damaged nerves. To maximize benefits, Blend blueberries with other nutrient-rich ingredients like spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds, which add vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats essential for nerve health. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that regular blueberry consumption can improve motor skills and reverse age-related declines in cognitive function. Starting my day with a blueberry smoothie not only satisfies my taste buds, but also provides a nutritious boost to support my nervous system. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a soothing beverage offering multiple benefits for nerve health. Known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile helps reduce nerve pain and inflammation, common issues in nerve damage. The active compounds in chamomile, such as apigenin, have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, further aiding in managing nerve pain and discomfort. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can improve sleep quality, essential for the body's natural healing processes, including nerve repair. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that chamomile extract could significantly reduce anxiety symptoms, which often exacerbate nerve pain. Incorporating chamomile tea into my nightly routine has been a gentle way to unwind, promoting restful sleep and supporting nerve health. Number 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense drink, offering substantial benefits for nerve health, particularly due to its high content of collagen, amino acids, and minerals. Collagen is essential for repairing and regenerating the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves crucial for proper function. The amino acids found in bone broth, such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, support the healing and rebuilding of nerve tissues. These amino acids also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce nerve pain and promote a healthier environment for nerve repair. Studies in the Journal of Neurochemistry suggest that glycine and glutamine play essential roles in neurotransmitter function and nerve cell communication. Sipping on homemade bone broth has been an incredible way to nourish my body while supporting long-term nerve health. Number 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is packed with bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Studies suggest that ginger may improve circulation and help alleviate nerve pain associated with conditions like neuropathy. A study published in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research found that ginger extract can significantly reduce nerve inflammation and pain in animal models of neuropathy. Drinking ginger tea daily has not only warmed me up on cold mornings, but also provided a natural way to support my nerve health and reduce discomfort. Number 8. Dark chocolate cocoa. Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids, supports cognitive function and nerve health. Its powerful antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in nerve tissues. Research in the Journal of Neuroscience indicates that flavonoids in dark chocolate can improve blood flow to the brain and enhance neural connectivity, potentially aiding in nerve repair. Enjoying a cup of dark chocolate cocoa in the evening feels like a guilt-free indulgence that also nourishes my nervous system. Number 9. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains essential vitamins like B12, which is crucial for nerve function and regeneration. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce nerve pain and inflammation. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that aloe vera extract has neuroprotective properties and may help in nerve regeneration by reducing oxidative stress. Adding aloe vera juice to my diet has been a refreshing way to keep my body hydrated while giving my nervous system the support it needs. By incorporating these beverages into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward enhancing your nervous system's function and supporting overall nerve health. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice. If you are experiencing severe nerve damage or health issues, please consult a qualified healthcare professional before making any dietary changes or trying new remedies. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video, sharing it with others who may benefit, and subscribing to our channel for more health tips and insights. Your support helps us continue bringing you valuable content. See you in the next video.